Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do sumo squats with kettlebell easy method. Begin by setting a wide stance and holding the kettlebell with both hands at arm's length. Lower slowly by pushing hips back and bending knees while keeping your chest tall and knees tracking over toes. Drive through heels to stand, squeezing glutes at the top. Keep breath steady and use a weight that allows clean technique for 8 to 12 reps. Focus on small, reliable cues to keep each rep honest and effective. Think about pushing the floor away with your heels while keeping the kettlebell close to your body. Imagine spreading the floor with your feet to engage the inner thighs and glutes more. Breathe in as you lower and exhale as you stand. This rhythm supports core stability and power. Start light to groove the movement before adding more weight. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and freedom, which pairs nicely with investing in your health. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid the quick fixes that undermine progress by learning what usually goes wrong. If your torso folds forward, drop weight and rehearse hip hinge patterns without load. Watch knees closely and cue yourself to push them outward over toes to protect joints and target glutes. Keep weight in the heels. If you feel toes dominating, reduce depth until balance returns. Consistent, mindful practice beats random heavy loading every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.